Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best women's pendant necklaces is probably one of the most sought-after accessories that can add a touch of elegance and charm to any outfit. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of crystals to bring you the top 5 best crystals that you need to have in your collection. Now let's take a look at the top 5 best crystals we choose for you. Number 5. Grow crystals in red, green, blue, purple, yellow, and glow-in-the-dark colors. Crystal chemistry, made fast, fun, and colorful. Follow easy instructions and use silicone growing chambers to make growing crystals easier than ever. Leave seed rocks in delicate crystals and display grown crystals directly. Show off 5 homegrown crystals in a light-up display. This STEM activity can inspire a love for science and learning. Start or expand your rock collection with 4 gemstone specimens: rose quartz, fluorite, blue calcite, and quartz geode. Learn about the gemstones with the included guide. Experience the highest quality science toys backed by exceptional service. If your experience is less than stellar, we'll make it right. What we like. If you are looking for fast-growing crystals with real gemstone specimens, the National Geographic Mega Crystal Growing Kit is the perfect choice. It's a high-quality educational toy that makes learning about crystals fun and interactive, suitable for kids aged 8 to 12. What people say.
Great lot. Grew very beautiful crystals. Lots of fun for any kid who likes STEM. We made these crystals with my kids and it was really easy to use, and the results at the 7-day mark were really cool. My grandchildren love this kit. It takes a little time and effort to construct, but they really enjoy it.
Number 4. This set includes 10 mini heart-shaped crystals in various gemstones. They are small and lightweight, perfect for carrying in your pocket or holding in your hand for energy guidance. Ideal for crystal lovers and beginners. In today's stressful world, these natural healing crystals can help bring balance to our body, mind, and spirit. By opening and linking chakras, they promote a sense of calm and focus during meditation or yoga. Add these crystals to your home or office decor to transmute negative energy into positive vibes. Place them on your bedside table, kitchen, balcony, or office desk to create a meditative and blissful atmosphere. These colorful crystals make a perfect gift for any occasion, such as Christmas, Valentine's Day, or Mother's Day. Show your love and blessings to your family members or friends by giving them these lovely healing stones. Each of these heart-shaped gemstones is unique in texture, color, size, and shape, just like each of us. If you have any feedback or suggestions, feel free to contact us on Amazon. We prioritize customer satisfaction and will address your concerns promptly. What we like. If you are looking for crystals that can help you regain balance and bring calm to your life, the Kinjiji 10 PCS Crystals Heart Healing Stones is the perfect choice. Its convenient pocket size makes it easy to carry around, and it can also be used as a beautiful decoration for your home or office. What people say.
Nice size and color. Exactly as described. I used these as Valentines for my students. They're cute. They are a little bit under 2 centimeters from tip of heart lump to end point, little smaller than I expected but serve their purpose. Decent quality and smooth form.
Number 3. Looking for the perfect gift? Our crystal bottle set includes 48 different stones bottles in one set, all well packaged for gift giving. From amethyst to green aventurine to red coral, this set includes a wide variety of gems to suit your needs for healing, meditation, and more. Whether you're into witchcraft, meditation, or jewelry making, these healing crystals jars are perfect for a range of activities such as dowsing, energy healing, and chakra balancing. Not just for spiritual practices, this crystal bottle set makes a stunning addition to your decor, perfect for creating a witchy atmosphere or adding a touch of magic to any room. With so many uses, from crafting to spellwork to collecting, this set is a must-have for anyone interested in crystals, witchcraft, or simply adding a touch of magic to their life. What we like. If you are into witchcraft, meditation, or simply love collecting crystals, the Coco EE48PC, Different Crystals and Healing Stones, is a must-have. With 48 different crystals, it offers endless possibilities for gift-giving, collection, and home decor. It's the perfect choice for those who want to enhance their spiritual practices. What people say.
Beautiful set with cute little bottles. It would be even better if it came with a little pamphlet sharing the best use for each crystal. The rocks are so pretty and the bottles are very good quality, would buy again. I use these in my craft products and love it. I was so pleased with how this product is careful package.
Number 2. This set includes a variety of healing crystals, like amethyst and tiger eye. They are small in size, making them easy to carry around without weighing you down. The stones are about 3.3 cm to 0.8 cm in size. The box is 10 cm 7 cm. Due to the nature of gemstones, each one may vary in size, color, and shape. These stones symbolize protection, luck, and wealth. They can help relieve stress, bringing a sense of calm and happiness to your life. Use these stones for healing, Reiki, yoga, and more. They can also be made into necklaces or given as gifts to express love and care. The stones come in a transparent box, perfect for gifting. Send them to friends and family for special occasions, like birthdays and holidays. What we like. If you want a versatile set of healing crystals, the 17-piece Healing Crystals Stone Sets is the best option. With 17 different crystals, it can improve your body's energy system and bring you a soothing and calm state of mind. It's perfect for jewelry making, meditation, and various spiritual practices. What people say.
I charge the stones every full moon outside along with other stones. It keeps cheerful vibes in the house and eradicated anything negative. Today's world is full of drama and caused by the unseen. Growing up deeply spiritual and with partial Native American traditions, it's a joy working with nature. Nature has things that guide us if we pay attention. Much like feng shui, earth, fire, would all have a place in our lives for this who indulge for clarity. Stones present clarity too. The rich have diamonds and gold which have properties. Silver is used for healing. Crystals like other stones have each their own property and purpose. The size is perfect. I should have ordered unpolished because natural state is better and more pure. The value for money is awesome because where I live they are astronomical. Appearance is quite colorful and gives off a happy, cheerful vibe. The energy after charging lasts for weeks. It's quite calming. Nice pocket size. Can be easily used to make jewelry. My daughter loves these. She has ADHD. Something about these makes her happy.
Number 1. All crystals and stones are natural and will not lose their color. They have unique sizes, shapes, and colors. They are hand-selected to ensure you get the best crystals. The Healing Stone Set includes 14 different stones and crystals, 7 raw chakra stones, clear crystal, amethyst, lapis lazuli, tiger eye stone, red jasper, amazonite, red aventurine, 7 colorful gemstones, pyrite, citrine, fluorite, apatite, obsidian, rose crystal, howlite, and selenite charging plate, amethyst necklace. They have the function of powerful stone energy, enhance meditation, and aid in the recovery of body and mind. Great for healing, Reiki, massage, yoga, spiritual practices, chakra balancing, positive energy, meditation, sleep, collection, and study gift. Perfect for harmonizing your special place or home decor. Rough stones are great for balancing the chakras during therapy, meditation, making crystal grids, or carrying as pocket rocks. This set of meditations will help you gain confidence, wealth, and lasting relationships, relieve stress, awaken the chakras, and achieve mystical effects. Show your love and care to your loved ones. Comes with an information guide for chakra healing, suitable for any gift-giving occasion like Christmas, birthday, Valentine's Day, anniversary, Thanksgiving Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, etc. Also, a warm housewarming gift. What we like? For those who are looking for a complete healing stone set, the AOOVOO 17-piece crystals and healing stones is the ultimate choice. It includes 14 different stones and crystals, along with a selenite charging plate and amethyst necklace. It's perfect for healing, meditation, and enhancing the recovery of the body and mind. What people say.
The stones are great. They have a great variety. The necklace was nice and I liked the chakra cards. I love the quality and size of each crystal and each has its individual beauty. Just so beautiful, I love it. I especially love the selenite charging plate. Selenite is a crystal that is always charging, so placing your other crystals on them gives them a charge.
You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.